is Bea and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually gonna show you my room where I live in. It's a Type C in PGPR, Prince George Park residence, and it's a non-AC, and so far it's been really great. I finally unpacked everything. I only arrived yesterday, but I've been doing a lot of things and like meeting a lot of people, and it's been so great and so insane. And you probably see me like shining. Yeah, I'm sweaty. It's past 10 p.m. and it's still like super hot and it's so humid, but I'll get used to it. Everything will be fine. Okay, so the first thing is the door. This is unlocked and then you lock it like this. You also have like this little change. Then here you have the switches. So these are for the lights, and this is for the fan. And with this you can set the fan like that was the lowest, and it goes super fast. And you can set it like different velocities. The highest one, it's insane. I don't know why anyone would need that, but yeah, it's good to have it in Singapore. And then actually, like when I was gonna record this video, I noticed something. I noticed that this switch, when you like click it, it changes the lining. So it's this like here. So basically now it's like that. If I click it, it goes like both ways. If I click it again, it goes like only at the top. So I think that's pretty neat. So you can like regulate it. And then I'll just leave it with the both. And then that switch over there, it's this one. Okay, then the door, you have 3 hangers. It comes with like 2 hangers. Yes, and like my mask and like a jacket that I'm never gonna use, my towels. Then I have a mirror here and like a trash can and any utilities. And this actually came with the housing essential pack. That was amazing. I'll say everything that came in that package. Okay, then here the opposite, you have the open wardrobe thing. So I don't know why they don't close it, but I don't know, it's modern. Basically what I did is like there I have my laundry, then there are my shoes, and here's some clothes, and like I hung a lot of like long pants and all my jackets that I'm never gonna use and dresses and stuff. And then I got these boxes at IKEA so I can like organize everything, because if not it would be a total mess. And same for this, I got like this basket to like have all my toiletries in one place. And then up there I have my suitcase. Then this is actually a bulletin board, so you can like hang pictures, and I have a lot of pictures that I brought from home that I want to hang. Then this is the bed. It only comes with a mattress protector, but you need to actually buy sheets. But I got them again at the hostel package, and it was great. And I also got this blanket, and I thought I wasn't gonna use it because it's like not cold at night, but it's nice to have something to hug. And in the package it also came one pillow, but I got another one at IKEA. Then you also get this bedside table, and you can put it here right by the plugs. Oh, and actually the plugs are type they are like England. And then you can actually like turn it on and off the plugs, so it's like really useful that, so you can like leave everything plugged in because nothing will happen. Then here you have windows. I have them open now because it's nighttime, so it's a bit nice outside, a bit only. And then here you have like another one, and you have these curtains in all the windows that you can like pull down. They're nice. Then this is the desk area, which, just say, it's a pretty big desk. So like for reference, it's my phone and like this laptop, and it's really big, so it's very nice. And it comes with 3 drawers, so the drawers are not really big but good enough. Then here you have a whiteboard that I use to put like some personal information that I still need to fill in like everywhere I apply to. And then you have 2 shelves. Oh, and also this chair, it's like basic chair, but it's not too uncomfortable. The only thing is that I usually put this towel on top of it, because like you're so sweaty and this plastic is like so sticky that it's better with the towel. So yeah, this is a general overview of my room. I really like it. I mean, I still have to decorate it a little bit and put more things, but so far I love how everything is. Though the only thing is that I'm not completely sure about like this setting of the bed. Like it comes like this, and don't mind it. But actually, what I was thinking, like maybe I can fit it that way. And I talked to another exchange student I met, and she told me that she tried it and it fits. So I think I'm gonna try it, and then I'll record again with like the different setting. Alright, so I actually changed the organization of my room. It looks so different. Basically what I did is I put my bed there. It fits exactly, like look at how much is left. And this way, like, you have the ton of floor space left. So it's really great, I'd say, if you want more space. So I wanted to give you like a different organization, a different view. Okay, so now I'll show you the hallway. Here there are 2 elevators, and then this is the hallway. So most people leave their shoes in front of their doors. At first I didn't do it, but now I do it. So this is my door. So to open it, you can just push in, and to lock it you have to use your phone. There's an app. You tap that app, and then it vibrates and it closes. It's not completely efficient. It doesn't always work on the first try. But yeah, it's the same thing to lock and unlock. Then here is the bathroom. There are 4 toilets like this. 2 of them, they have the little hose thingy. So there are 4. Then here are the sinks, and most people leave their stuff here, but we don't get like any soaps or anything, so we each have our own bottle. And then there are 3 showers. They're pretty big, and they have that area there and this area and some hangers. And also some people leave their stuff, but a bit all over the place, I'd say. And here a trash can, oh, and a dryer. These are my views of PGPR. And then here is the kitchen. Okay, so the bathroom, we actually share it between just our block, so it's about 15 rooms. But the kitchen, we share it with the other block, so it's about 30 people, but it's not that bad actually. So we each get like a little cabinet. It looks small, but it fits a lot of stuff. That's mine. And then, like, for example, I also have like some stuff there because it wouldn't fit, and then this is drying, but there are stuff from everyone. And the thing is that we don't get any utensils, but you can just buy them. It's not that bad. So I bought like a cooking pan and some dishes and bowls and stuff. But yeah, so in the kitchen we have a toaster and a microwave. Then here we have a kettle to boil water. Of course, the sink. Also, we don't get soap, or actually we do get soap, but we got it in like the middle of the semester, so I don't know. And well, not the middle, but like 2 weeks into the semester. And then we each have our own like sponge thingy. Someone bought this, so was not here originally. And we have 4 stoves. So yeah, so these are all like our own places. And because we share the block, the kitchen with the other block, these are the other block, and that's their fridge. And for the fridge, we have well, the freezer is just anyone can use it, and you can put whatever inside. And the fridge, it's actually divided in like little baskets, and they are pretty small, I'd say, but honestly the baskets are only in 2 of the stands, so you can just put everything. And the door, it's a bit like all over the place, but we make it work. And the last thing is here is the trash shuttle thingy, the rubbish chute, so you just throw your trash there. So yeah, this is the kitchen, and of course you can eat here and just enjoy the views. Oh, and last thing, when you go into the kitchen, you have these buttons here. So this is the light, but it's usually on because it works. It sends the presence. And then with this, if you tap it, you add 15 minutes to the fans. And if you hold it, so like if you tap it's 15 minutes, but if you hold it, you can actually put like 20, 25, whatever. So yeah, and then they work, and it's so much nicer. And sorry, I keep adding things, but I keep remembering because like at first I didn't know how the stoves worked. So this is very easy, but you have to make sure that these are turned on. So this one is for the nearby, and this one is for the further one, and this is for the hood that you just pull and it works. So yeah, that was good to know. And yeah, officially this is it. This is PGPR. So yeah, this is it. And also the mask is not like completely mandatory, but there were a few cases this past week, so it's better to just wear it outside your room. But yeah, this is everything, and I hope you like seeing where I live, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me on Instagram, and I hope you have a great day.